Chana Masala. Chana curry. A main dish from India. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Make a soft paste of onion. Step 2. Soak chickpeas overnight and cook in sufficient water until cooked well. Step 3. Grate onion and chop tomatoes. Powder the following and keep aside: coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon and poppy seeds. Step 4. Heat oil in a skillet, and when oil is hot, add onion paste. Fry onion until it turns light brown. Now add chopped tomato, garlic and ginger paste and cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Country Reports. Next add salt, turmeric, chili powder and above ground spice.